The coax male ends plug into the coax factory. Okay, well, at this point, we're gonna pause and take a break. All right, JB, welcome back. Back at it.
Wait, who's driving? Oh, hey. Hi, how are you?
Hey, would you mind grabbing the camera? I just want to... So, we'll get access to the rear through the...
I don't think it goes there.
Doesn't go there. Well, it's cold outside. All right, well, time to put on my big boy pants. My audio is kicking. Hey, I haven't actually test fit this yet. So hopefully it's gonna fit with the factory speakers and amp before I add more speakers and amp.
You got this.
Yep. Perfectly. Look at that, dude, look at this. Still plenty of trunk space. You could fit a whole U in there. Which is good to know for when I hide your body. All right, sorry, we need to get that out of there now. Yeah, just like that. All right, now our subwoofer has been replaced with all the parts that we need to install to make that amp work and power up that sub. Okay, step number one, you gotta get into your cars, people. I found a factory pinout online on a Monte Carlo form. It shows the factory pinout of this, and assuming it's correct, I'm gonna cut into it and start pairing X to Y to Z and connect them up to these, and we'll be all right. You know what is recommended is fixing the gas smell because of that broken evap line.
I don't smell gas.
I do.
I did all my fuel lines.
All right, so thank you.
Sorry.
So we've got this all spliced up in line now. This guy will have our little coaxial connectors on it. So now we can connect those up to the aftermarket amp right there once we wire it all up. And I forgot that I had a remote battery on the Lexus. So we're gonna be putting that back in too. One step at a time. Tire fire, next time. Tire fire, next time. Tire fire, tire fire, tire fire. Stop resisting. I have everything that we need running into that from our factory harness. We're running our power cable. Will eventually be sorted out tomorrow. And it'll make its way up towards the front of the car. That will ensure that while we're charging it, that while the alternator is charging that battery, it's also has a direct line connected to the battery we'll be putting back here. It'll act as a capacitor, and we'll have better subs because of it. There's the moon, end of day one. Welcome back to Tire Fire, people. My name's Colin. Still, if you're doing any kind of subwoofer installation, you're probably gonna have to find a hole to lead your power cord. If you don't have a hole for it, you make one. I'll show you. Okay, so first off, you find an insertion point. That white spot there against the firewall, that painted part of the body, that looks like a good place for a hole. So, we're gonna make one right back there, which you can't see. Okay, by my approximations, it should have been somewhere down there. Somewhere. Hopefully not inside a frame rail. I don't know. We're gonna search around for it. I don't know, the belt just flicked something up into my eye. And once you have your power wire led, you can tuck it underneath the trim and everything and get everything buttoned up back into place. Also, if you are going with the route of just wiring in a coax connector like this, don't forget to get some double-sided tape to just stick it up against the mounting surface. All right, next up on our journey is making room for this, our little fuse holder. Oh, where'd it go? Where'd it go? There it is. I've already connected one of the fuse ends, so that's all ready to go. Just needs the other half now. And it'll be watertight. So now, without further ado, this wire right down here should finally connect up. Okay, and with everything all connected up, the only thing left to do, in my case, I have to replace this connector with an extended terminal. So I'll swap that out real quick. I'll show you that in a minute. Here we go, folks. So, all connected up, new terminal installed. If you remember, in the Lexus, I had a remote battery wired up. Either I keep running a battery or I have to get rid of these terminals. Now it's coming back to me. I have a battery and cool subs and I have no access to my spare tire. Now it's coming back to me. I'm remembering what the Lexus was like now. Well, this should be fun. I'm gonna finish this up. All we need to do to finish it up, put in the battery here, secure that, attach the sub wires to the sub, and then run a new signal, evidently, and we're good. Till then, signal wire. Either that or I finally blew out this entire unit. All right, played some copywritten music. But man, that bass slaps. It's good shit. So we got the subwoofer installed and the amplifier installed with our factory sound system. Looks good. Sounds great. Good. Very good. Man himself. Like this.
Scratch on the surface. Especially in bigger projects. Like an avenue.
Domo. Sošte. To kara?
All right, well, people, welcome back. We got the subs installed and we got them working. And trust me, they work. Wait for it. There you go. So, subs are installed, subs are working, subs work good. Good for us. Man, all I've wanted to do is be able to hang out at a punto, and now I can. ¿Qué onda, homies? Anyway, thanks for dropping by Tire Fire. In the meantime, be sure to like and subscribe, and till next time, keep it lit.